25. But in this plight the Shah Salaman saw, his soul was struck with anguish, and the vein of life within was strangled. What to do he knew not. Then he turned him to the sage. O altar of the world, to whom mankind directs the face of prayer in weal or woe, nothing but wisdom can untie the knot. And art not thou the wisdom of the world? The master key of all its difficulties. Absal is perished, and because of her, Salaman dictates his life to sorrow. I cannot bring back her, nor comfort him. Lo, I have said, my sorrow is before thee. From thy far-reaching wisdom, help thou me. Fast in hand of sorrow, help thou me. For I am very wretched. Then the sage, O thou that errest not from the road of right, if but Salaman have not broken my bond, nor lies beyond the noose of my firman, he quickly shall unload his heart to me, and I will find a remedy for all. And whether as a representative or, you can look at that sort of thing as even, okay, God says turn your heart to him, and then you'll find a way.